Every career begins with a moment of discovery. A moment when you realize that your creativity and passion can become something more. At Paul Mitchell, we'll help you turn that spark into a career that evolves with you. From day one, your Paul Mitchell education team is invested in your success, taking the time to understand your learning style, your dreams, and your goals for the future. Once you've mastered the basics, you'll start working with real clients, gaining the hands-on experience that will prepare you for a successful career. Every day, you'll have the opportunity to grow by participating in photo shoots, competing in multi-school competitions, joining specialty clubs, or learning from our talented, experienced team members. And while you're focused on your future, you'll also be giving back. You'll have the opportunity to use your skills to support the community, helping women's shelters, working with veterans, or providing services to those in need. Along the way, you'll be learning from some of the best. Paul Mitchell's network of celebrity stylists, salon owners, and guest educators will visit your campus to share their experience and advice, helping you pave your way to success. And with a network of over 100 schools across the U.S., your diploma will open doors for you no matter where life takes you. Your future isn't just about mastering technical skills. It's about building a brand. Here, we prepare you for the whole journey. From business and social media to personal finance, you'll graduate with the tools to succeed wherever your career takes you. Now, fast forward. Graduation day. You're ready. You step into your first job with confidence, not just as a beauty professional, but as an artist, a visionary, a trailblazer in the making. Your journey began here, but where it ends, that's up to you.